Intermittent fasting has grown in popularity due to its ability to improve metabolic health, particularly cholesterol levels, in addition to its weight loss benefits. This dietary pattern incorporates alternate intervals of eating and fasting. In this video, we'll look at how intermittent fasting can help lower cholesterol and boost general health. Cholesterol is a fatty molecule in the blood that helps grow cells and produce hormones. However, excessive levels of LDL, which stands for low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, sometimes known as bad cholesterol, can cause plaque development in the arteries, raising the risk of heart disease and stroke. HDL, which is high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, also known as good cholesterol, helps to eliminate LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream. Intermittent fasting entails fasting for a set amount of time and then eating. Popular fasting approaches include the 16-8 method, which is fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, alternate day fasting, and the 5-2 diet, which involves eating normally for 5 days and limiting calories on 2 non-consecutive days. During the fasting phase, the body uses stored fat for energy, which can contribute to a variety of health benefits, including lower cholesterol. Intermittent fasting has been demonstrated to lower LDL cholesterol levels. Fasting stimulates cellular repair and boosts the body's sensitivity to insulin, which aids with blood sugar control. Fasting may also enhance the breakdown of LDL cholesterol and inhibit the creation of new cholesterol particles in the liver, decreasing total LDL cholesterol levels. Intermittent fasting has been linked to increased HDL cholesterol levels. One study published in the Journal of Translational Medicine discovered that alternate day fasting resulted in significant increases in HDL cholesterol levels in overweight and obese people. Higher HDL cholesterol levels are connected with a lower risk of heart disease because HDL helps eliminate excess cholesterol from the bloodstream. Insulin resistance contributes to high cholesterol and cardiovascular disease. Intermittent fasting has been demonstrated to improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to better control blood sugar levels. Fasting, by reducing insulin resistance, may help reduce triglycerides levels and improve total cholesterol. Intermittent fasting provides other health benefits beyond lowering cholesterol levels. These include weight loss, decreased inflammation, enhanced cognitive function, and extended longevity. Intermittent fasting can help reduce your risk of heart disease and other chronic illnesses by increasing overall health and well-being. Intermittent fasting can improve cholesterol levels, but may not be appropriate for everyone. Individuals with specific medical issues, such as diabetes or eating disorders, should speak with a doctor before beginning any fasting regimen. It is also critical to maintain enough nutrition during eating intervals in order to promote general health and well-being. To lower cholesterol through intermittent fasting, start gradually and experiment with different regimens to discover the best fit for you. Be attentive of your body's hunger cues and stay hydrated when fasting. Consume nutrient-dense foods throughout eating periods to help you achieve your overall health goals. In conclusion, intermittent fasting can improve cholesterol levels and promote heart health. Fasting, when combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity, can help you reduce your cholesterol and improve your overall health. Always talk with a healthcare practitioner before making major changes to your diet or exercise program. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.